In this video, I'll introduce you to the crypto exchanges with the highest rebates. Not only that, I'll discuss transaction fees and how you can get cash back, not just vouchers. If you use the registration link in this article, you'll unlock VIP rates typically reserved for whales. Here's an example. On Binance, you'll get a 40% rebate on transaction fees. For instance, the 0.1% spot fee becomes 0.06% after the 40% rebate. For futures, the default 0.02% maker and 0.05% taker fees drop to 0.012% and 0.03% respectively after applying the rebate. You can use the referral code JC1ZN6Q to get a 40% refund on the delivery fee. Or click the sign up link to access the registration page. I'll put the article link in the video description and comments for more details. For example, if you pay $100 in fees, you'll get $40 back. Real money, folks. If you trade $1 million in volume, you'll only pay $120 in fees instead of $300. If you don't apply this, you'll pay $200 in maker fees and $500 in taker fees. The coin fee is 35% and the support fee drops from 0.1% to 0.065% after cashback. Futures fees are 0.02% maker and 0.06% taker, reduced to 0.013% maker and 0.039% taker after rebates. Use referral code CAT50 when signing up for extra discounts. Click the link for 20% off. SandX and MSC offer 20% cashback. Other coins give 10% back, but watch out for scams. Check coin specifics carefully. Okay, you can click on Size app here to see its interface. Now the interface, it always shows how much money is refunded. The interface will also show this 40% refund here. Or you can scroll down to trading fee discount to see the 40% fee discount. Some platforms display the percentage while others don't, but I've set it all up for you. It will be refunded. Let me click on Google to show you. It'll display 35% here. This cat catches it. That's the delivery fee refund. On the mobile version, it won't show this. It only shows the registration interface. If you want to see it, switch to desktop mode. Then for Binance, after you register, it'll show that you use this rev code and get a 20% trading fee refund. Okay, it also shows 20% off trading fees. Next, let's look at MSC. Click here. Okay, this section shows more details to get a 20% discount on spot fees and 20% on futures fees. Here you can see if you use the code MSC, it's equivalent to 20 cats. It's quite impressive. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others.